behind me, that's the park I showed you in a close-up on how the kids are playing, and that was the park. I think yeah, that was the one where I showed you how the government had put like the yellow stickers so that nobody can use it. In here, guys, so everyone is playing around, and I'm gonna be walking by. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope that makes you feel nice. I have this small kid passing by, he's watching what I'm doing. It's sometimes, you know, people are not able to understand what I'm doing. So like this guy is watching me. Look, this guy is watching me. It's funny. This is Shweta and welcome to my channel. So guys, how are you all? I'm sure you guys are doing great, and I'm doing well as well. But आज you're looking at me. I just took a shower and I just saw from the window it was beautiful sun, right? So it's really pretty nice, and I thought, okay, I will go out for a walk and I'll take you guys out, because like I know some of you are stuck at home, but I'm blessed that I live in Canada and I have a little bit of open space to go out to. So I wanted to show you in the evening. It's around 7 o'clock here in Toronto. So I just want to show you how everyone is walking around, what we're doing here. So let's go, guys. So this is a beautiful street, an inside street between the residential main roads that we have here. So generally in Canada we do call them streets. In India we refer them by roads. So जब मैं initially Canada आई, it was very different for me. So yeah. And now I'm okay. Now when I go back to India, I do refer roads by streets. So my parents are like, oh, what's wrong? But anyways, जब मेरे parents यहाँ पर आके रहने लग गए हैं, and like they live with me for some time, so now they're used to me as well and used to streets. तो उनको confusion ही हो जाता है जब वो आगे पीछे जाते हैं. अच्छा, आप देख सकते हैं अब यहाँ पे कुछ लोग आ रहे हैं, सबने मास्क पहन रखे हैं, जो कि अच्छा है, right, for safety. Me, guys, I'm recording this video, so that's why, but I'm making sure that I follow social distancing. So बस ये है. देख सको तो मैं काफ़ी दूर चल के आ गई हूँ. I have covered a lot of distance, but the funniest thing I've done is I'm not wearing my smartwatch today, so I'm not able to track my footsteps that I take and the calories I'm using. So वो एक mess up हो गया. Tomorrow I will make sure that I will wear it. So अब हम एक और section की तरफ जा रहे हैं. So I'm going to show you the trail that I'm walking by. So I came out of here. This is like joining the residential with this the trail, and you can there's so many bikes, so people bike a lot and walk a lot. So you can see this is how it is. आप देख सकते हो, right? लोग हैं. अच्छा, वहाँ पर आप देखो तो I'll take you close, but जहाँ मैं point out कर रही हूँ वहाँ पर एक स्कूल है, जहाँ पर आप देखेंगे बहुत सारे बच्चे जो है खेल रहे हैं. So I'm gonna move here, और देखो कितनी सारी beautiful fields है. तो मैं जाना चाहती हूँ जहाँ पर थोड़ा सा sunny हो. मैं इधर जाऊँगी. Okay, I'm gonna take you closer, just to show you what are people doing. कौन सी लैंग्वेज बोल रहे हैं मुझे कुछ नहीं पता. आई डोंट अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट दे आर सेइंग, बट बहुत फनी है जैसे ये चल रही हैं. बट सही है, एक्सरसाइज कर रही हैं. Okay, there's so many people, like I'm gonna show you jogging around. अच्छा, now I want to make sure that I get away from them because I do follow social distancing. तो मैं थोड़ा दूर हो जाऊंगी. यहाँ पर थोड़ा भीड़ हो रहा है, तो I'm gonna go to a place where it's more I can follow more of social distancing, right? So I'm taking you. Look at me, my shadow. Look, it's beautiful. I'm out here. I wanted to show you how pretty it looks. And by the way, this is what I'm wearing today. Okay. You guys, you see, these are so like cute, such cute kids. Again, I don't understand their language. Probably they are from another country. यहाँ पर बहुत सारे different countries के लोग हैं, तो मुझे समझ नहीं आता है क्या बोलते हैं. So look, this is skateboard. I want to learn. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है. अच्छा, यहाँ पर कुछ हमारे नेबर्स, कुछ देसी लोग भी खेल रहे हैं. And बट ये है कि यहाँ पर थोड़ा सा ऐसे सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग डेफिनेटली फॉलो हो रहा है, तो इट्स मोर इजी. यू कैन सी सच क्यूट किड्स, पिंक हेलमेट्स, पिंक बाइक्स लड़कियों की, और फिर लड़कों ने ब्लू हेलमेट, ब्लू बाइक. ओके, सो देन वी हैव अ फ्यू मोर पीपल वॉकिंग बाय, बट यू कैन सी ऑल ऑफ देम आर डेफिनेटली फॉलोइंग सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग. तो अभी सब कुछ बंद पड़ा है. ऑल स्कूल्स आर क्लोज्ड, नथिंग्स ओपनिंग. और ये कुछ और बच्चे हैं स्केटबोर्ड पे. थोड़ा जस्ट टेक देम इन द कैमरा. सो या, आई वाज टेलिंग यू अबाउट you know, the schools. The schools are kind of closed right now. There's more people coming. Wait, थोड़ा side. Alright, so schools बंद हुए हैं. Again, this is the third time, sorry, but someone keeps cutting me in. So long time I've been seeing these doors are closed, guys. That's me. Okay, so I don't know when everything is gonna open up, but it is sad, you know, like it's just, I don't know. I hope really quickly, you know, doctors can find the medicines. So यहाँ पे guys इसी तरह से बच्चे खेल रहे होते हैं. तो ये है हमारे यहाँ का पार्क. ये कितना क्यूट है, देखो. So cute. This one, ये देखें तो ये और भी क्यूट है. कितना प्यारा बच्चा है यार. I mean so cute. That's what I see around. And आज वैसे कुछ ज़्यादा लोग दिख रहे हैं, इतने होते नहीं हैं. But वही है, you know, like people are actually getting, especially the kids, they want to go out. I know. बट अब क्या करेंगे guys, just be careful. I want to show you कि यहाँ पर how the government has closed the parks and stuff, so you can see, so that you know, like the virus doesn't spread. There are these yellow tags they've put around on swings and everything, so that nobody goes in and plays. So तभी सारे बच्चे जो है बाहर की तरफ खेल रहे हैं. Everyone is playing outside. You can see behind me, that's the park I showed you in a close-up on how the kids are playing, and that was the park. I think yeah, that was the one where I showed you how the government had put like the yellow stickers so that nobody can use them. In here guys, so everyone is playing around, and I'm gonna be walking by. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope that makes you feel nice. I have this small kid passing by, he's watching what I'm doing. Sometimes, you know, people are not able to understand what I'm doing. So So like this guy is watching me. Look, this guy is watching me. It's funny. So now guys, I know I told you that, you know, like I usually come out for walks. You have seen my videos. For people who are new on my channel, make sure that you go and look at all my videos. I have some evening vlogs, I have some exercise videos, I have some park videos, I have some bike tours. So there's a lot of stuff if you enjoy being outside and you cannot go. So I'm just making sure that I can bring all you friends some nice views of live views of how it is outside, especially here in Canada, how life is. So abhi I'm just gonna keep walking, and guys, do walk if you can find such an atmosphere. So make sure that you walk. It's good. A little bit activity, and it just uplifts your mood, and it's easy and it's priceless. not inexpensive, but it is priceless. So if you can see, I feel like I'm looking so much better in this video than other videos, because if you see, my eyebrows are done, my upper lips are done, so my face grooming is completed, and that's because I did it yesterday. मैंने कल ही जो है अपनी eyebrows upper lips किए, and the reason was that I was growing so that I can show you guys how I do my eyebrows and upper lips at home. So मैंने DIY video बनाया है. There's a DIY video of doing my eyebrows and upper lips at home and how I did it, and I have a very easy and a nice secret in my video for people who have sensitive skin. They get like cuts and scrapes. So how do they do it, and how can they stay beautiful being at home? So don't forget to watch my video as well, because I'm just editing it and very soon I'm going to post it. So guys, please do not forget to subscribe, subscribe and share my channel to be with me and to know when I post my next video. So take care guys, love you, and once again, enjoy!